Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam M500. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. Firstly, take a look at the camera itself. Right here we've got the lens, power button, charging port, microphone, serial number and ventilation port. Now, here is the holder, and the main thing we have to do in order to use the camera properly is to pair it with 70mai app on your smartphone. So, download 70mai app, enter it, tap plus in the top right corner, and select dashcam without screen. Now, connect to dashcam hotspot and turn on hotspot on the camera.
Wyłączam hotspot Wi-Fi. Hotspot Wi-Fi jest wyłączony. Włączam hotspot Wi-Fi.
Enter password.
Hotspot Wi-Fi jest włączony.
And now we are connected. Let's go back to app. Tap next. And enter.
Kliknij przycisk zasilania, aby dokonać autoryzacji.
Confirm by pressing this button. Connect. Connect. Go back to app. And it's done. Now let's take a look at the app. We can check the album, we can take photo,
Nie można wykonać tej czynności.
or we can go to settings. Here we can manage video encoding format, video settings in general, we can manage HDR, system settings, speaker volume, and other settings. If you want to check the software version of your camera, let's go back. Go to menu.
Hotspot Wi-Fi jest wyłączony.
And here you can check update firmware and firmware version. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.